Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanjukta. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the makeup base. Okay, तो हर सीजन पे मेकअप का स्टाइल और मेकअप बेस और मेथड थोड़ा चेंज होता है और आई फील ऐसा होना भी चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सीजन, बिकॉज सीजन के वाइज आपका मेकअप, जैसे कि समर में मेकअप ज़्यादा मेल्टेड हो जाता है, स्टे नहीं करता है, ज़्यादा स्वेटी हो जाता है। मॉनसून के टाइम मेकअप रहता नहीं है मुँह पे, क्रीज ज़्यादा पड़ जाता है। एंड विंटर आवर makeup tends to get very dry and cakey due to our dry skin, because in winter we lost our moisture from our skin. So that's the reason why we should change our makeup method according to your season. So the best part of the winter is this: in winter we can apply a generous amount of foundation on our face, because winter में foundation stay करता है, which is the best part. Okay, because पूरा साल मैं कोई फाउंडेशन अप्लाई करती नहीं हूँ until और unless मुझे कोई वेडिंग में जाना पड़ता है। समर में उतना वेडिंग होता भी नहीं है, वेरी रेयर, which is the best part again. So without further any more time, let's get into the video. विंटर में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कम मेकअप यूज़ करते हैं और हम लोग कंसंट्रेट करते हैं ज़्यादा स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट में जो आपको ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर एंड यूवी इफेक्ट देते हैं। तो इसके लिए मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ सो फर्स्ट मेरा स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट होगा विच इज़ अ टोनर, एंड हियर आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस रोज़ वाटर बाय जस्ट हर्ब्स. यू कैन यूज़ any toner according to your skin texture. So toner is something which will help you to minimize your pores. If you have large pores problem, then you have to use in a regular basis. So yeah, for this reason I'm going to use this toner, and before applying this you need to shake it very well. And yes, it feels so satisfying while applying onto my face. And yes, I'm dabbing it so that it can absorb very well. Okay, so now my face is wet a little bit, so this is the best time to apply your serum. Whatever serum you are going to use, this is the best part. This is very important to apply any kind of serum or moisturizer while your face is moist or wet. For serum I'm going to use this vitamin C serum by the brand called Minimalist. So in morning I prefer to use vitamin C serum. Almost एक ख़त्म हो गया है, I have to reorder this product. तो मैं इसको हाथ में लेने वाली हूँ अपनी पाम में. इससे क्या होता है, जस्ट एज हमारा स्किन थोड़ा वार्म होता है तो अच्छे से अप्लाई हो जाता है आपके फेस में. सो इट्स अ प्रो टिप. अच्छे से मसाज करना बहुत अच्छे से, सो दैट इट कैन अब्जॉर्ब इनटू योर स्किन. एंड जितना लेफ्ट ओवर है अपने पाम पे यूज़ कर लेना, क्योंकि हम लोग का हाथ भी बहुत ड्राई हो जाता है. Okay, before moving to the next step, I'm going to tell you another option. If you don't want to spend a lot of time in doing all the steps like toner, serum and moisturizer, sunscreen and all, you can use one product which is sheet mask. Yes, whatever sheet mask you have or you like, you can apply on your face and keep it for 5 minutes at least, because I know before going to outside you don't have that much time, because I have made a video like shorts video. You can check this out over here, and I will leave the link of this video in my description box below, so don't forget to check them out. You can see that how dewy and glowy effect milta hai after applying the sheet mask. Okay, for moisturizer I'm going to use this Emolient moisturizer. So I have purchased this offline Apollo store. You can avail this from Amazon and फार्मेसी, कोई फार्मेसी स्टोर से आप ऑफलाइन भी खरीद सकते हो. मैं इसका लिंक दे दूंगी ज़रूर. इफ़ यू आर दैट पर्सन हु हैव ऑयली स्किन टाइप, दिस मॉइस्चराइजर इज़ ग्रेट फॉर यू. ओके, आई हैव टेकन दिस मच अमाउंट एंड इट हैज़ अ वेरी नाइस कोकोनट स्मेल and which I really love. It's very soothing and perfect for winter. I really love this smell. It will quickly absorb into my skin. It's that great. Okay, the last step is sunscreen, because as I have used active vitamin C serum, so it's very important to use broad spectrum sunscreen, and I'm going to use this sunscreen by Minimalist and SPF 50. Again, it's a very great thing. I'm going to take generous amount of sunscreen and warm it up between to my fingers, and yes, going to apply to all over my face. Also, don't forget to apply on your ears and neck as well, and also in your hand. Okay, my face is pretty much prepped and it's ready for makeup. So for makeup I'm going to use foundation, and for foundation I'm going to use, it's like very basic and ऐसा भी लगता है कि सबके पास है, हर टीनेजर के पास भी है, और जितना बड़े लोग हैं, बड़े इन द सेंस मैच्योर लोग के पास भी है, एंड इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड इट हैज़ अ वेरी मीडियम कवरेज. येस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द Maybelline Fit Me फाउंडेशन एंड माई शेड इज़ 230 एंड येस माई शेड इज़ 230 एज यू कैन सी. सो क्या करूँगी, हमेशा आई अप्लाई माई फाउंडेशन विथ मेकअप ब्रश और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, बट in winter as we want very dewy kind of makeup look, so for this we are taking this foundation in my fingers and going to apply with my fingers only, because हमारा as I have mentioned that हम लोग का स्किन थोड़ा वार्म होते हैं, तो इसके लिए क्या होता है, एप्लीकेशन बहुत स्मूथली होता है, कोई केकीनेस नहीं दिखाई देता है. सो इट्स अ प्रो टिप अगेन. My base is done. Okay, for next step I am going to switch to my eyebrow, and for eyebrow I am going to use let me show you first. Okay, for eyebrow I am going to use this Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. I can't go outside without doing my eyebrow, because eyebrow is something, if you draw it, it will change your look. It will give you a drastic change which we want. So let's do this. And this eyebrow pencil is very good, which I like. You can apply this effortlessly. You don't need to worry about the pigment कि ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, आप चुड़ैल की तरह दिखोगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, now I'm going to brush it because it has a spoolie over here. So yes, it's perfect, it's affordable. Yeah, my eyebrows are done. Okay, next move on to the eye, and for eye I am thinking to apply a little bit color, but not like extra. So I have picked up this eyeshadow palette by Hikake, and the shade is Under the Seas. It has an orange color as you can see. So I'm thinking to apply this orange eyeshadow. I have taken this much, very light, very light. Okay, let's apply this first. I'm applying this in a very soft hand. As you can see, pigment is very less. I want drama but not extra drama. I hope it's making any sense. Again I am applying this with a very light pressure. Okay, next I will move on to my cheek area, and for cheek I will apply a very bubbly color blush, and for this I have very beautiful blush palette, which is this blush by the brand called My Glam, and the shade is Strawberry Blush by K Play, as you can see, and the color is, oh my god, such a bubbly color. Look at this color, perfect for winter. It will give you very like pretty effect on your face. So this shade is perfect, medium to fair skin tone. Yes, before applying this blush we need a more dewy effect, and for this dewy effect I'm going to use this gorgeous yet beautiful product, Lakme Lumi Cream. Yes, it will give you very natural effect. That's why I am choosing this product over a highlighter. It's so beautiful. Can you see? It has no shimmer particle. This is so perfect, so perfect. I really love it. थोड़ा बहुत कुछ बाकी है, बाद में करूँगी. Yeah, I know that it's giving me such a barrier because it's a powder based blush, which is a bummer for winter, but I will fix it. And how I will fix it, for this you have to watch this video till the end. I will apply generous amount of blush because I really love. Now I have to fix my under eye crease. For this I'm going to use this compact powder by Nykaa. It's a very good compact powder and very useful for summer because it's really absorbed all your oil and stay for very longer time. So I really love to use this in summer, but to fix my under eye crease I again love to use this one. And it has a very good medium coverage, which again I love to. Can you see there is no barrier between my under eye area and the cheekbones. Now it's looking perfect blend. Okay, next move on to the mascara. And before applying the mascara, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Okay, let's curl my eyelashes. Curling your eyelashes, it's really effective. For mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline ka mascara because this particular mascara is not waterproof, which I love. I don't like mascara which is like waterproof, so that's why I always ended up buying this particular one because अभी market में जितना mascara अभी launch होता है maximum mascaras are like waterproof. तो इससे क्या होता है, we ended up losing our eyelashes. So also I will apply on my lower eyelashes. Don't skip this step. Okay, मैंने अपना mascara apply कर दिया है, थोड़ा देख लो. It's like it's a purple highlighter by the Mars Cosmetics, as you can see, and look at this packaging, so amazing, and the quantity is again so much. And look at this color, oh my god, such a lovely and pretty color. Let's swatch it first. Such a pretty color. I am confused between this and this. Okay, so it's a golden shade highlighter and it's a purple highlighter. आज हम लोग use करेंगे this cream highlighter by the.
Extremely sorry guys, while editing this video I have checked that my video has stuck. I don't know why and how. So I have completed my whole makeup. As you can see, please enjoy the final look which I have created, and what lip shade and the product I have used, I will mention all the details in my description box below. Please check that out. I think the lip shade is pending, so I will mention that the lipstick I have used is this Maybelline Superstay ink, and the shade name is Versatile. I hope you love this video. We'll see in my next video. Bye.